Yeah, video. Getting cold, so I'm shaking. I don't think they're gonna do this during the day, so I doubt Jenny will see it tomorrow. See, it's going quite a bit higher than it was before, so. It'd be hard though.
Just like a light, like different colors of light. Just standing there.
Look at that little baby standing in the middle of there. Oh, that poor guy. Oh, he got it good. They don't even care. Look at that.
Well, there's fire in it.
Oh. That's not real. Oh. That's got to be gasoline they're pushing out of there. That's pretty sweet.
That's really cool. It is. That's really cool. That's cool.